Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA jong UDP ubalong ru menteri ke sarkar jela uba Paul Lingdo. Ulaong hagabay bat ki election shiteng samoy kabalalong Gambegre constituency hagabay ga result lapin bana minta kasengi ka arpulay tarik unaiwing arajar arpusaw. Ulaong kumbalayo i bahagi election MP kebrang syudap ru layo i bagi Paidbah jong katahan Garo Hills kumno kilakiew saprang hagabay ba ka jingjit ginong mikmat bat ka bapen iru ye ka kamsan perthai ka baklan bha hagani ka than par ka jingjit ye ka nong mikmat na po ka Gambegre constituency ka pen i shisha ye ka Jingstad jong ki Paidbah na ka ba Phah sendon da ka Briew ka bala nangla Stad bat ka ba Biang ka kerdan puli sya ka yengdor bar thawan jong ka jilla shisho hagani ka sngi na kalyang ba polling do ula kren ru halor ka mat jong ki nonggi drop ki bala khlan hagaban kalyang jong ula pentip bolo da ban Phah yo principal secretary jong gajala ban penlong de jing tokin hagabai dei bat kani ka jingjia na ka benta ban lap ksa ye ka daw tan rai bat ukmi lenti ban yo ye ka kaipot hagas ngining kong jong katayo ban wan
forget that as recently as May this year we had the Lok Sabha polls where the Congress had swept Garo Hills to our parliamentary seat. So in a way, it shows that politics is very dynamic. Even though it's a long time in politics, and it also demonstrates that the electorate of Gambegre have clearly shown their wisdom by electing somebody who is highly qualified as the MP candidate. I have asked the Principal Secretary to initiate an inquiry, find out what actually happened, and I should be getting the report by Monday midday.